screencast, I'm going to show how to change attributes or properties in an open XML Word document. Let's see the document I prepared here. This is a document containing HR data. It looks like this. Let's see the template. We have personal numbers, name, the dates, the start, end, one table, and two controls for text. We see later what we do with this. Close it. And we see that we have in the table data from the PA 0008. We've got here about 4 fields that I've chosen here. And we have some data for the upper fields. In here, the name, dates, and we see also the sections that we choose, hours alert and salary alert. Okay, let's run a program. Let's run a program that I prepared that selects the data and then generates the Word documents. I have a variant ready, just the personal numbers, and I've also here 2 parameters that I use it as filters to see if I will change the data in the cells of the table and hide or unhide the texts. Let's run it and we see how it works. Let's say that I put in the work hours, I put 100 work hours, annual salary I'll put also 100. Let's run it and we see what's happened. Okay, the documents are generated. It's done, and we'll take one of the documents. We see what's happened here. Well, we see that the data on the upper fields is filled with the name and the dates, personal numbers, and then we see the table that we saw before in the template, and we see that if we have this filter and it does make the filter true, so it changed the properties of these cells. Look in here, it changed the properties of the work hours and the annual salary, because we say that if it's bigger than 100 and also this one is bigger than 100, that's what we see. So we see them, and then we see the remarks here that the first one is you have too much working hours and blah blah blah. This is because we have here that the field is more than 100, what we put as a parameter. Also, then your salary, over here your annual salary is too high. Let's delete these documents and we run the program again, and now I want to see, maybe I put here 300 work hours as a parameter, and I will stay with this parameter for the annual salary. Let's run it. Now we take sample. We see what's happened. See what's happened. It's lower than 300, so nothing happened with the properties of this cell, the work hour cell. But the annual salary cell changed its properties, and we've got only one remark here: your annual salary is too high. We don't have the remark of the working hours because the working hours is not bigger than 300, so nothing happened here. Just for this one, the annual salary. Let's do some trick with the annual salary also. We go again to the program. Let's delete the files first. It can also delete the files by itself, but I want to see if it's clear. So we go again to the program, and in the annual salary we put a big number like this one. Let's see what's happened. Too long, okay. 999, 999, okay. Something happened here. Oh, sorry. I didn't push the right button. It happens sometimes. So we have new files. Let's see one of them. Now, not any of the fields that were selected by the parameter have the right answer. So this one is lower than the parameter, and this one also. So nothing happened. No new paragraph is done because of the value, and it stays as it was. Okay, and no properties or attribute changes were happened. Let's see another one. It's the same. Now let's run again and put both of them. Let's not put any parameter here. So it should take everything, I think, if I know SQL good. Okay, let's see if I know. First I will delete the files, and I will rerun the program. Okay, that's what happened. We see that we've changed the size of the cell of the cell, and we've changed the paragraph also. We've changed the format. We've changed the colors, and we have the two remarks here as it should be. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. You can watch